Welcome to MaidCV.com. What is your name and nationality?
My name is Kumari.
Uh-huh.
I am from Sri Lanka.
You're from Sri Lanka.
Yes.
What kind of job are you looking for?
I am not working in other country. I am working in Sri Lanka.
Yes, no. What kind of job are you looking for? Are you looking for a housemaid, nanny job?
Housemaid and I like nanny also. I think. Like
Housemaid and nanny job.
Nanny job.
Okay, no problem. What is your visa situation? You're on a tourist visit. What kind of visa do you have right now?
I am on visit visa.
You're on a visit
Visit
visa.
yes.
When will your visit visa expire?
Expires December 21.
December 21, 2013. Yes. Okay. In which cities and countries are you willing to work? For example, where do you want to work? Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Fujairah, Ras Al Khaimah. Where do you want to work?
Dubai.
Only in Dubai. Okay. So tell me something about your last job. What was your last job in Sri Lanka? Your last job was in Sri Lanka.
Yes.
What was your last job? What were you doing? Yeah, the last job you had.
I working in Sri Lanka, madam.
You're working in Sri Lanka as a...
Yes, I work in Sri Lanka 2005 and 2000 work in 2005 daycare 27. After working 2007 and 2008 nursery.
You worked in a nursery. So what were your duties and responsibilities? What were you doing in that nursery?
Nursery.
Yeah, what were you doing? What's your work? What were your work? Baby care?
Baby care.
You're looking after your children?
Yes.
All the children in the nursery?
Protect.
Okay. Okay. So, why did you leave your job in Sri Lanka? Why did you leave your job there?
Job.
Yeah, in the nursery. Why did you leave the job?
I don't say.
Yeah, why did you leave? Yeah, why did you leave? Yeah.
I can't also my have a daughter and son in Sri Lanka.
Okay. You got pregnant?
What?
You got pregnant?
No.
So why did you leave your
No,
job?
my son is small no, after
Okay.
job.
So okay. So what are your salary expectations? How much your salary expectations?
Sri Lanka job.
No, here now.
Yeah, I don't know. Other giving I don't know.
Are you willing to accept the salary from 1,500 to 1,800? Are you willing to accept? Because that's the minimum salary. Actually, that's the minimum salary for Filipinos. But are you willing to accept 1,500 as a minimum? That's a minimum salary for Filipinos. Are you willing to accept?
I don't know this one salary.
Yeah, you have to. Yeah, 1,500, 1,800. 1,800 you want. Okay. So 1,800 is the minimum salary that you're expecting. Okay. Are you single or married? Married.
Married.
How many children do you have?
2 children have son, daughter. Daughter is 17 years old.
Where are they now?
Yes, Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka. Who's taking care of them?
My mother.
Your mother. Okay. So as a nanny, which activities do you perform with children, with kids? What do you do? Do you play with them? Do you teach them how to sing nursery rhymes? What do you do? Do you tutor them? What do you do with the children? What?
Children.
Yeah, with the kids.
Children.
Of course, as a nanny, what are you going to do as a nanny? Which activities are you going to do with the kids? Are you going to teach them how to read, how to write? Okay. And then play with them also? Okay. So if the baby is crying, what will you do to calm him down? If the baby is crying?
I'm also
You're going to So, if the baby is crying, what are you going to do? You're going to check.
Checking after don't cry. Also
You have to check whether he is hungry.
Hungry. They give a milk or.
Yes, and then check whether the diaper is full. If it is full, you have to change. Okay? If one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what will you do? Accidentally hurts himself. For example, they are playing, yeah, downstairs, and then something happens.
Very carefully.
Yes. So what are you going to do? Are you going to, of course, you have to check, and then if you need to give first aid, you have to give first aid first, and then you have to inform the employer immediately. Okay? As a housemaid, which task will you perform every day in the house? What are the things? Like, are you going to clean?
And mop and also
Mopping, okay.
Clean, working also.
Okay, washing clothes?
Washing.
And ironing. Do you know how to iron clothes?
No, clothes iron.
You can iron, okay.
Cooking also I can. Yes.
So you know how to cook. What kind of foods, you know?
Foods.
What kind of foods you can cook?
Cook, I can cooking also.
Yes, what kind of foods? For example, Sri Lankan, Arabic, what kind of foods you know how to cook? What kind of foods? Arabic, Sri Lankan foods. Okay. So what do you prefer? What do you prefer? What do you like? Doing housework, caring for kids, or cooking?
Cooking.
You like cooking?
Cooking also I.
But which of the three? Doing housework, caring for kids, or cooking?
Yes.
What do you like the most?
Children.
Taking care of children.
Children.
Okay. So how long do you plan staying in this job? How long? How long? For example, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years? 2 years is okay. So, are you in good health?
Yes, I do.
Yes, okay. Are you comfortable with animals such as cats and dogs, for instance?
I can also.
You can also take care of pets. You're comfortable with pets. So why should you be hired? Why should I hire you? Why should I choose you? What qualities do you have? For example, are you hardworking? Are you honest? Are you trustworthy? What qualities do you have? You're hardworking? You're hardworking. Okay. So what are your hobbies? What do you do during your spare time? Do you listen to music? Do you read books? What do you do? Do you cook? What do you do during your spare time? What are your hobbies?
I am hobbies is watching the TV and also reading the newspaper.
Okay.
And I like children. Also
Children. Playing with children. Okay. So thank you very much for your time, Kumari. Please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.